Hey y'all, this is Amanda with She's a Mad Gardener, and my intro is going to look different than the actual video because I forgot to film it. So today I am showing you guys a new flower bed that I ordered from Amazon. Very cost-effective bed that you either can do 2 beds out of it, or you can stack them on top of each other to create one deep long bed. So these are just a cost-effective way for me to expand my area. These are not permanent, they're semi-permanent, but I wanted to show you guys a little bit of the process of how I went about constructing them, show you guys the cost, and show you how much it took to fill them. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Drop me a comment below if you have some secret way of doing very inexpensive garden beds. I would love to hear what those are. I tend to be somebody who likes a nice clean line. I know that I can just put down some cardboard and go directly into the ground. That doesn't tend to be my style. I like it to be a little bit cleaner. But let me know what ways you go about saving money when creating new garden beds. Okay, these are the photos that went along with the listing on Amazon. This product was $80 for 2 beds. Now, you can stack the 2 beds and do a double height, about 24 inches deep, or you can have them separated. I am choosing to keep mine separated. Here's the basic measurements of it. However, it does come in a wide variety of sizes. Putting it together wasn't too difficult once I figured out how to get started, and after that, the whole process went very quickly.
All the way until November. Turn the world around us into gold. When the autumn leaves are playing chase it, puts a smile up on my face. They leave that branch.
Okay, they're together. I only have one small injury. Did pretty good. The rubber mallet ended up coming in clutch, which was awesome. And I think building it on the grass was not the best choice. I should have built on a hard, flat surface. I ended up bringing out one of my cutting boards to help when hammering them in. Now, these two, I have 2 separate beds right here, but this bed can actually be stacked on top of the other bed. So you can have a 24-inch deep bed there. So it comes with all the extra supplies, screws, little panels, and you can stack these and have a nice, really deep bed. However, that is not what I'm going for. Okay, this is where they're going to go over here in the backyard. It's right next to my celosia, amaranthus area. They're both going to go here. I'm going to be using the cardboard method. So I'm going to be layering several layers of cardboard, wetting that down, going over the top of that with some weed barrier, and then backfilling with soil and compost. Let's get started.
The last days of September, when the autumn leaves are playing chase it, puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low. Dancing through the last days of September. Dancing through the last days of September.
So I was able to get these large pieces of cardboard from a neighbor who had obviously got some new furniture, something like that. You want to make sure that you remove all plastic tape, plastic packaging, plastic labels, whatever. That all needs to be removed from the cardboard so that everything can easily get soaked down with water. When you're spreading your cardboard out, make sure you're overlapping it by a good 1 to 1.5 feet, just to make sure you are smothering the grass as best as possible.
Open up the window. I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like a giant ember. Everything is turning into gold. When the autumn leaves are playing was a little child. Every year for as long as I remember, all the leaves were running wild, going all the way until November. Turn the world around us into gold. When the autumn leaves are playing chase it, puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there.
Okay, you guys, there were some budget cuts. So we ended up just filling one bed this week, and then we'll wait and give our budget a little reprieve and fill the other bed next week. For the meantime, I'm utilizing it to store some seedlings that I'm working on, which are going to be going in both of these beds. It ended up taking, let's see, 10 bags that each had 40 quarts in it and 5 bags of compost. And each of the compost bags, I believe, had 1 cubic foot in there. It filled it up real well. I haven't smoothed everything out yet or got it ready for planting, but I am very, very happy with the results. I think this looks wonderful. I'm just super pleased. Okay, thank you so much for joining me today on this Amazon garden bed. I've dropped the link below if you are interested in checking it out and or ordering it. And if you do decide to order it, let me know. Let me know how it turns out. Let me know if you love it or if you hate it or whatever. As always, she's a mad gardener or a decorator or anything else that she wants to be. Thanks, y'all.